What's up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Welcome, welcome, welcome. What do we got here? We got some chat going on before I even get in here. I'm not that late, guys. Come on, give me a break. Give me a break. Who we got up in here? Steven. Happy, what's up, my man? You like my shirt? Happy? Happy made this shirt, guys. You need 1,000 shirts, ask him. He'll do them all for you. Have them to you tomorrow. They ship out next day. Bulk orders. Appreciate that. Happy. What are you using for color changer? Color changer. Why isn't there a white background behind my logo? On this? Beep 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 bop bop. I can't catch up to all this. You guys been chatting too much, man. Oh, Happy gets more than a 1 out of 10. Come on, man. Come on. Hey, he did better than those the other one for sure too. I like how it's this one's got the line. You can't really see it real good on this camera actually, but it's actually the logo. It's got the little cutouts where the V sections is, and it lines up at an angle. It's not just a block, you know. So I got something cool and exciting for you guys today. Well, a couple things. Formbot Pro kit. Brad, right now I hate you because I literally pulled my back lifting that freaking box on the table yesterday for that video. If you guys saw me be like, oh, that's rough on the back. That wasn't a joke. That's serious. Like, my back is like kinked right there now. For real. This right here, extra camera, is getting ready to get used. The wife's coming out here today. I'm going to put her to work. So you guys get to see her today. Supposedly. We'll see if she actually does or not. I don't know. I'll be excited if she does though. So cool. All right. Let's get into this, guys. So we got a Formbot kit here. I built a couple of these kits myself. The Trident, no, I have not built a Formbot Trident. I did build a couple of the 2.4s. Actually, my very first Voron printer was a Formbot, and this was like 2 years ago. And that thing was not cool, okay? For many reasons. My main reason being it came with just a spool, like a roll of silicone wire, and then the connectors. So you had to make your own harness. That's fine. You know, I can make my own harness. Great. That's no problem. But it takes a lot more time, which it was a learning process. You know, it's something that I wouldn't do more than once unless you have to, you know. So the problem with that was it was silicone. So after about a month of printing nonstop in the chains, wires started breaking. So I replaced that again with PTFE wire, and then ended up going canned all of them, because when you run these wires in these chains, they're out of spec. These chains, there's too many wires in these chains. Okay, it's out of spec. It's gonna break. You're gonna have breaks eventually. Just especially if you end up putting more wires in there for different lightings and things like that. So that's why I'm going to CAN on most of my stuff, or USB. I think I got one machine left that doesn't have CAN on it. 2 machines left, so those will be getting done soon enough. So yeah, the Trident kit. If you haven't already seen the video, I done a video, put it up yesterday. I don't even think I got a chance to link it in this video yet, but I will. It's the video I just uploaded yesterday. It goes through the unboxing of this kit. I show everything that's in it. Thank you, Brad. Brad linked it in there, so that's good. It shows everything that's in this kit, like top to bottom. It shows I went through every bolts. I didn't go through every bolt. Like This is a bolt, this is a bolt, this is a bolt. But I went through every pack and showed you, M350, socket head, this and that. Everything's in there. So it's got some pretty cool stuff in it. Really surprised by the injection molded exhaust part. Somebody commented, I can't remember who it was, but it's like, it is kind of strange that they would give you that part injection molded, which is the one part that most of us don't use. Just sealed them off, So I don't know. Really cool though. It's got a lot of really cool stuff. So shrink my little head down a little bit here. Before you begin your journey, word of caution, you're about to assemble some stuff, so don't blow things up. We're going to skip through some of this stuff because we know what's up on all this. So you guys know what a button head cap screw is and all that stuff. If you don't, you do now. Button head cap screws look like this. Socket heads look like this. Self-tappers, flathead, hex nut, heat inserts, hammerhead nuts. The bane of all existence that I do not like. Post-install T-slot nut. T-nut. It's a T-nut. T-nut. Okay. So we got some bearings. These are your flange bearings, 625 washers and shims. Now there's different, you got washers and shims. The shims are going to be more precise spacing. Your idlers and pulleys, these go on your, the pulleys are going to go on your motors. Idlers are going to be anywhere your belt changes directions. Your thumb nuts uses a spacer for your bed. Actually, this kit doesn't have a thumb nut. It has these little insulated spacer pieces. Some set screws. Y'all know what that is, and some teaches you a little bit about blind joints, how they work. So we're going to put a frame together. So what we'll do, yeah, Formbot has $20 off these printers right now. Yep. Sure does. Also, guys, everybody, links in the description. Giveaway, Polymaker, Ambrosia, click it, get it, boom, bam, thank you, ma'am. I'll remind you like 7 more times, but that's time 1. Brad, I think you like messed up my neck, my back. I'm like, ouch, ouch. So I'm gonna go over here. We'll lay these extrusions out as they are. They're kind of, this is how they word them or put them. How Voron does it. These are B extrusions. These are A's. H, E, C, D, F, G. Kind of out of order there, ain't we? Only build the frame today so I don't miss much. We're going to get a little bit farther past the frame. But you can go back and watch. Especially if the wife comes out here like she said she's going to do. I'm going to put her to work. So, wow, chicka, wow, wow, wow. Sorry, Victor. It's all right though, man. There'll be plenty more streams for you to watch, and you can always watch it later. But it's never as fun as watching this stuff live, man. Because you get to see all the screwed up, dumb stuff I do in the process. Put the wife to work doing your hobby. Good luck. Right? Man, I wish she's coming out to give me a massage. Ooh. Ooh. I'm telling you, that kink is rough right now. It's like down here in the bottom, but then I got something going on my neck, like pulling there too. I think lifting that thing up here, Brad, it broke me. Broke me, man. It broke me. Alright, so where are we at here? Bam, chicka bam. Watch this. We're gonna do, it's gonna fade. We're gonna do fade. How you like that fade, guys? I just faded it. It's a fade, it's a fade, it's a fade today. What's going on here? Let me check here. Now it's working, isn't it? Okay, it wasn't coming up on my computer, so whatever reason. For whatever reason that may be. All right. Fizzy, my man. Thank you for recommending that Parsec. It actually works pretty good. Just push print. You're lucky the missus is interested and involved in the printing and channels. That is cool. Nick! Nice to meet you. Yeah, that was, man, I met a lot of really cool people there. Glad to see you on the stream, man. Glad to see you on the stream. You coming, anybody coming to Murph? Or Earth? Or I'm sorry, 3D Printopia? Oh, okay. You're gonna stream the Milo? I've got one of those I need to build as well, but I don't think I'm gonna stream it. I think I'll do a edited video of that one. All right. So, whoa, turn that volume down. Can't do that. All right. Let's see if it's working. What just happened? Why did it move over to? It's like it's small now. That's so weird. That is weird. Let's try this. Try this again here. I don't know why it did that. With that echo, yeah, it came on here and yeah, it came on here and oh, what's it doing? The audio started coming through here. Feeling very funky. Okay. I don't need these mats up here right now, so we're going to move these out of the way. Let's get some extrusions on there. There we go. Ooh, a lot. Murph is up in the air. He's only 2.5 hours away from you, Papa. Yes, if it's in Houston. Just push print. Planning to come to Murph. I will see anybody comes to Murph. I will see you there. It's too small for us. See where we're at here, guys. All these big ones over here. I'm going to make my front view a little smaller so it ain't taking up so much room. That's okay with you guys. That is okay with you. Just push print. I'm down, man. I'm down to do that. If anybody wants to do a collab or something like that, just reach out to me. Hit me up on Discord. So let's flip these around the way they go. Where's that at? There's the hole. Okay, so this has a hole right here, you can see. So it needs to be up towards the top, right there. I'm going to find this one. There it is. Okay. Are those mats from Wham Bam? What's up, Petty? The joys of multi-camera setup. Yes, it is fun. The mats, no, they're just the mats I got from Amazon. I'm gonna need these two. I need to get the paste. I need the paste. I'm not sure if these are, honestly, the semis. I think they are. Yeah, I think they are. Someone else was asking that. Was it you that asked that? Vorga Orga, I will take any donations like that, buddy. I definitely need some more cameras that I plan to add soon. Let you see the end. You want to see this end? I don't know if you can get a good view of that or not. I don't really know. What do you think, Happy? Happy's the pro with this stuff. I don't know enough to know, enough to know, enough to know, enough to know. We have one through here. This where's one? I need to find that C extrusion, guys. I need that C. One of these got a hole in them. There you are. Wait. Why has it got another one? Looks like two of them have holes in them. These two right here have holes in them. But on here, oh, I see it. It's the same length. Okay, it's one of the D extrusions. Okay. So like this, and then we got the, which one's here? That's, this one's gonna go right before the last one. Are those the same size? Man, they're like a hair different. Like literally, like. Yeah. Okay, so this is the smallest one. It's going to go at the end. The next one goes there. And then the next one. And then we have these two. Why does this not seem right? No, something. Do I have all of them? Something's different here. H and E is after this one. That's going to be the same size as that one, so it's going to have to be why are these different sizes? Okay. Let's just put it together. See what happens. What can hurt? What can happen? What's the worst that can happen, man? What's the worst that can happen? I mean, if I put it together backwards or upside down or something, it's just Brad's printer anyways. It's not like it really matters, right? I mean, Brad, Hope you didn't hear that. Move these fans out of the way. Hey, so what's up with these fans? If you guys seen the video, you ever heard of donkey fans? Donkey fans? Donkey butts? They got a lot of good quality stuff in there, and then they got donkey butt fans. Hey, I'm cool if it works. It works. Yeah, man, I would definitely appreciate the cam, for sure. These cameras here that I got were just what I got, you know. I'm wanting to add some more, so yeah, that would be cool for this setup. I'm also planning to get a different table, a bigger table here, so. This is correct, this is correct, this is correct. This one is just not the size of any of these. Actually, yeah, no. So it looks like they may have messed up our rail situation here. Because that's correct. Let's move over this way. All these are right, which these are the B. All these are the A. This is correct, but we're missing another one of these. And instead we have two of these short ones right here. And actually it's not even the, I mean it's like a millimeter different in size, like very slight difference in size. So I don't know which one is which there. That's kind of funky. So what rail is that? I don't know. That's the H and E. It's the H and E rails. Yeah. Okay. What is it flashing for? Okay. All right. So we need M5x16s. Which are these? The C, A, and H. Oh boy. C, A. That one's the C, the one that's got the hole in it. And I don't even know. Great. Oh boy. Yeah, 1H. I'm gonna need another. I'm gonna need another one of these, I think. So H, A's, and C. This extrusion will be used throughout the manual to mark the lower back of the printer. Extrusions are going to be used in this section. Prepare them as shown. And let's get all of it. So wait, the H1 is the smaller one, isn't it? H, yeah. So the H just needs one one in one side. The rest of them need 2. They're all in 5x16. So let's get some screws out. Bolts, 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 bolts. Wife has ditched me already. She's ditched me, guys. I have been ditched. Officially. Straight up ditched. In 5x16. You know what would be handy for this? I do. I know what would be handy for this. I got something special for you. Didn't print the right color, but it'll work. That'll do the job. So. She'll do the job today, guys. Guess what? Guess what I'm gonna remind you guys of? Have you hit the link in the description? Click that link. Click that link. Here's my guy. Here's your sign. I usually just squirt some of this out, like on the edge of the table. I know you really can't see this, but I'll squirt some out like that. So I need to get a paper towel for this because this stuff is fun to get all over your hands. Fun stuff, fun stuff. Mad scientist is going to work, man. Which one? It was all these, and then the short one only gets the 1. Yeah. So give it a little dippity dip. Screw it in. Well, WTF? This is not threaded. Okay. What in the heck is going on here? That's probably the other one then. It's probably the E extrusion, and I bet I'm missing the H. Shoot. All right, so let's continue on. Let's continue on. That's all I can do. I'm a little bit angry about that. Yeah, this must be the other one because it's not threaded on either side. So that pretty much tells me it is the other one. So is that dead center? I think it is, isn't it? These are the same, but one of them's Down here. You gotta watch that. These aren't all threaded, so I just had to switch those around. Okay. Get a little dipsy doo doo doo. A dipsy doo doo da day. Bruce, you on here, man? Ooh, I'm gonna be mad if my buddy Bruce ain't on today. Batter up. What is up, guys? Come on, man. I need to see some action in this chat. What's up, guys? Is it just not working, or are you guys just not talking today? Which one is it? One or the other. Probably it's something on my end that's not working. Oh, now it's working, huh? Okay, yeah, it's my end. Yeah, missed like 1,000 messages for some reason. Missed all the messages. Let's see. Tell Mrs. Millimeter isn't that much. Ah, she disagrees. Now. Let's not go to that. Sheesh. Steven. What am I going to do with you, buddy? Yeah, you guys, hit that like button for me. We got 27 people on here. Hit that like button. Also, fill out the link up there so you can win something. You guys win some filament. Free filament! I got some really cool prizes already lined up for you guys for the 5,000 subscriber stream. I'm going to get there before you know it. We going to make it there. The more you guys hit that like button for me anyways. Show the love with the like button. That's right, I live on the edge, baby. Live on the edge. It's the only way to live. Yeah, so there's a threaded one and another one. Yeah, you can't see the... So do you guys want to see me dab the Loctite? Are you guys sad about that? Ah! I didn't mean to do that. Wrong way. There, can you see it now? No? Now you can. Still can't. Alright. Now you guys can see the Loctite, okay? I promise I'm putting it on. But I put it right on the edge. That way I can just kind of roll the screw over it like this. Just dab it in there. And then I can put it on. Get it started like that. What's the difference between the... What am I ignoring? Thunder keys. He sure is. Won't check those pins. What did I miss? What am I missing? It lagged on me, so I missed like a bunch of messages. So if you said something and I missed it, say it again for me. Check depends on the Voron Discord Trident channel. You talking to me, Brad? Are you talking to me? Hang on, I don't know what you got me doing, guys. What have you got me doing? I'm supposed to be missing something here. I don't know what. Voron Discord Trident. Brad, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what's going on. What's the difference between the Trident and the R2? The Trident and the R2? You mean the Trident and the 2.4? Is the Voron 2.4 and the Trident? Is that what you're asking about? Reminds me I gotta start a Discord. Yeah, if you're asking about the 2.4, the whole gantry moves on the 2.4. The Trident, the bed moves instead. That's an easy way to know what's up there. Thunder Keys, I thought you said something to me. That's why I rang. Was you trying to make a comment that I missed? Somebody said I ignored them or something, so I was just seeing what was up. My man, Thunder Keys. Thunder. It was good hanging out with you this weekend, man. That was fun. Had a good time. And let's see, I think the wife did just come out here. Make sure you pull that door all the way closed, babe. The screen, because it'll bang, bang, slang around. Look who we got! The wife came out to visit. She didn't ditch me. We all thought you ditched, didn't we? Didn't we, guys? We all thought you ditched us. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. She's a woman. She takes time to get ready. Microphone's over there. I got you, Brad. Thank you. When I get to there, I'll get to there. But wait until I get to that point. Get to that point. Help. Yeah, I always need help. Huh? I've got a little bit too much there. Well, get your mic, babe. It's in that box over there. The DJI box. Yeah, you need it. No, the right side. Yeah. It's got the magnet behind it you could put on. Do you need me to do it for you? Come over here.
I can clip it. It's okay.
Okay. You can clip it or you can do whatever you want. Kendall Tucky in the house. That's right.
Me?
Yep. I was telling him that you was at Remurf. I told you that.
Yeah, that someone knew where Kendall was.
Yeah, he's on the stream.
Oh.
That's what he said, Kendall Tucky in the house. That's Nick.
All right,
I think that's Nick, isn't it? Yeah. Say hello. Can you guys hear her okay? I'm going to step back and see if you hear her. Say something.
Hey, y'all.
Can you guys hear her okay?
Normally they can hear me through yours.
I know.
So I'm sure it's fine.
I know. You want to look at that? Look at that next. I'll finish putting these in.
What
at
do you mean,
the
the next step?
yes, bring that. You can bring that closer into you if you want.
Let's see. But it's just showing me what you're doing. So.
Yeah, just bring it closer so you can see.
I can see it. Now
It's kind of hard
me.
to see. Yeah, it's just showing these, but we need to go to the next step. We're almost to the next step part.
So this.
Hear her just fine.
The other side?
That's where I was. I need to go one past that.
Well, you didn't have it on that slide.
Okay, that. So what's it say?
Yay,
B
building the frame.
Goes to C and A. B goes to C and A. So let me finish this. And I think this one right here. And I think I got all of them prepped.
Can they see this? Yeah.
Yeah. When you scroll, they can see it. So this is her print. So is this her printer or is she the assist? No, this isn't her.
Neither.
This isn't her. All these are hers.
This is actually Brad's printer.
Yeah, this is Brad's printer actually.
Jeremy's building it.
We're building it for Brad. He thinks so anyways. He doesn't realize once I get it built, I'm going to leave YouTube and ditch him and run away from this planet. And he'll never find me. So I can run away with his Trident.
We're going to have to make a trip up to Canada to deliver it.
Yeah, so he's only like 4 hours away. You know?
Yep.
It was good hanging with you too. Sorry, sporadic chat here as I'm out and about. No worries, man. His other wife, me.
About right.
Okay. All right. So scroll. So we got B. Scroll up one.
See, I don't know what.
Yeah. Okay. So
which
up
ones are
one
B
more.
because I wasn't out here.
Up one more. B is the long
longest.
ones. Wait, I thought. Okay. Yeah. So it's these over here.
B.
These one got the hole in. Yeah, they've got the hole right there. No.
That one looks as long as that.
Leave them right there. I got these under control. So B, go back down. Was it to C and A? Go down to C and A. Go up. I got it. Which one was the A? Scroll up one more.
Do you remember when we started the 0.2? We literally
C.
labeled them all.
The C was the one that has the hole in it. Okay. So we're going like this.
Yep.
Ding dong, guys. We have a winner. Winner chicken dinner. Woohoo! So we got to tighten these up. Really, when you're doing this, you really want to build on a better surface than this right here. But I don't really have anything else, so this is what we're going to do. I got glass is better to build on. If you have a piece of granite, it's always good to use that. That's the best thing because it's very flat. But I think we're going to get bothered by children now.
Anybody out here?
Yes.
Jeremy's on a live stream.
Hang on just a second, guys.
Going through the house, I'm like, these motherfuckers ain't even here.
Hey,
Eric, we're on live.
I'm on live. You're all right.
That's dangerous.
This guy, my brother's a mess, guys. Sorry.
Do you want me to go help him?
He come out
Does he
here.
need the keys?
He's probably with Blair, just dropping the truck off is all. Yeah, so
Pardon is French. I don't know if they heard that.
hopefully you two don't kick me off for my brother's language there a second. Sorry about that, guys. He's not all the way there. So it's kind of hard to see this, but you want to line this up flush here as good as possible. You guys don't want to see him on chat, trust me, or on stream.
Some southern accent cussing
Oh boy.
My-
Eric just blast in. Mother effing hooty hoo!
Yeah. My teenagers don't come out of their room, so he went in the house, couldn't find us, come out here like, where are y'all?
Oh, it'd be nice if you told me he was coming. Alright, so we got that one. Are you going out there?
Well, I don't
Hey,
think
take
he
your
didn't
mic.
he didn't close the door all the way.
Okay. Try to set this over here so look. Set this over here so it's out of view. Not everyone is a tinkerer. Southern accent cursing's the best. Oh boy. Build the frame on glass. It even says here, build it on glass or granite surface. Ensure you get as square as possible. And actually, I got something for you guys. What am I doing, man? What am I doing?
Good
One
question.
moment. Talk to them folks for a
Good
second,
question.
because I'm looking for something that's very cool. It's kind of cool, anyways.
Typical unorganized Jeremy.
No. I know right where it's at. Hush.
Too much stuff out.
Typical wife over here. Look what we got, guys. Bam. Bam. Wham. Bam. Thank you, ma'am. Check this out. Yeah, I got one of these. What am I doing over here trying to square up on a wood table when I got these?
Yeah, your printers don't even have those.
Well, these don't go installed. You just use it to square the frame.
Well, you didn't have those when you got
Yeah,
yours.
no, I didn't. No, I did not. But you don't have to have them, but it's something that's nice.
They actually look really cool. Too bad they don't stay on.
So they got the holes in the side. If you guys don't know what these are to help square your frame when you're building, like we're doing right now. You typically would put this on here, like that, and the holes are there to tighten up. So you can actually put it together and tighten it up. So what I'm going to do is
What do you want me to do? Just watch?
Sure. Well, right now there's not much we can do but put these together, so
There's
let's
always
just do
something
it.
to do.
Let's just do it. Keep up with this for me if you would.
Yeah.
Read the chat to me to keep what's going on. We do our best to call out things that may bite you later in the assembly process, but may skip things that seem obvious. If in doubt, please refer to the CAD model. Okay, so
Robert said those are junk.
What is?
Probably what you're using.
They're junk. They seem to fit pretty tight. Do they not line up very good?
Bruce also said YouTube didn't notify him, so he's here now. He can calm down.
Okay, they didn't notify you? How wrong? I don't know, they seem pretty. I'm gonna try it on the next one and see how it does.
Brad, how does it feel watching him build this for you?
Yeah, Brad, how does it feel?
I think I'd be nervous.
Are you nervous, Brad?
And I feel like you're a little bit of a control freak, kind of like me, and this would make me have anxiety.
So we got this one. Now we need B extrusion and A extrusion, which is the B ones, and then the A's to the bottom, and then I think those just connect together right there with the B's. Okay, so we need this.
That's true too.
What?
He said, nah, it's way better than the headache it would give himself.
True.
That's a lot to it, that's for sure. Jeremy says he can do this with his eyes closed now. He's built so many, although this is his only second trident.
I can do it with my eyes closed.
And his first trident took forever, but he's lame. He just said he just didn't do it.
It took a while, but not because I took a while to build. It was just I was doing other things while I was sitting there. So we're about to test this thing out and see how wiggly it does. Happy says they're junk. And if Happy says they're junk, then they're junk. But we're about
Nick
to find
asked
out.
you a question. Did you already see it?
No.
Said, do the angle guides create a slant with the far end of the extrusions, maybe just on the first one?
Happy, those are really good, man. They're very flush. Do they do what now?
All right, right here.
Do the angle guides create a slant with the far end of the extrusion, maybe just on the first one? A slant, I'm not sure how you mean. Let's see. Might want to check the measurements on there though and see what we have missing any. Oh yeah, I see how it is. Convert a trident in your sleep until you add canbus, and then start drinking. Yeah, add canbus and start drinking, and the trident is going to get a little bit not
wobbly.
as easy. Wobbly is a good word. Okay, so there she is with the corners in there. We got these two. Gotta open it up a little bit, at least enough to get in there. All right, guys, we're good. Brad, I'm gonna send it to you. You got the rest? And he's like, hey.
All right.
Brad's not watching, is he?
Now I gotta clean it.
It's all good. It popped off. Let me tighten this one up first. This is why I need a bigger table. Do you see what I mean now, babe?
Yeah, but
I do. I need to get a bigger table. It's not big enough to build these.
who was it that hit you up about the table?
Flexi spot. Flexi
A lot of
spot.
times he's built these on the ground, just on the floor.
Yeah, I build them on the floor, but I do put the frame part on glass when I'm building that part, at least. All right, let's slide that in. You want to put it on there for me? You want to do it? That'll buff right out. You're right, Robert. That thing will buff right out, buddy. Thinking of woodworkers making tables around the corner jigs.
Is this got fork? Yeah.
Anybody that's watching right now that has not hit the like button, hit that like button for me. You tighten it?
Oh, I didn't know you wanted me to tighten.
Yeah, you can tighten it. It's right there. 1 second. Brad, gifting memberships. Thank you, sir.
You do kind of want to hold this down. I'm not sure if I get it over here.
Don't slide it off the table, though.
Well, I'm not, but you want it to not be like teeter-tottering either. I suck with Allen wrenches.
How you looking?
You check it.
Actually, I can take these off now. Woo, hands getting sweaty in there. Woo-wees.
You check it.
What do I do with that paper towel?
Because even if you tighten these, you still almost have to hold it because it can wiggle in there.
It should pretty much stay. Okay. Now. All right. What's the next step?
You need little
Finding the right position.
E. You
E.
have to add these now.
I think this one, just that middle one, doesn't it? It's got a, yeah, the T that one goes straight up the back. It's this one right here. I think that was one of them that I wasn't sure if I had, but I think it's a longer size. These are all those. Hang on, go back to where you just was. All right, so I think it's because it's a 350. It probably is this one. Yeah, I bet it is.
You can turn it around.
No, it can't be right because We'll be using extrusion as a spacer. Apply a single layer of tape to the ends to prevent scratches. Because this one does not have, it's not threaded in either side. So what did we do here? We had,
That's why you should label them.
well, they didn't match up to the thing. I did have them all out, but they didn't label. More with the manual. So it was a small, bigger one. Yeah, it doesn't.
Move your hands. Walk around, I guess, easier.
I can't remember how that mounts on.
This is your back.
These go across the top, I assume, like this.
Don't jump the gun.
I'm just looking. So those are going to go across the top. And that's those 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Skip a step.
But now I'm looking for what they have that one right there. And I bet it's this one, but I feel like it's got to be the crossbar. This has got to be the crossbar for the back, because that will mount down into here. But I don't understand, because I think they may have messed up. It doesn't have threads in it. So, well, let's put these on. Using 330 millimeter space, so the wire rail secured against. Yeah, that's the only other.
Look at your,
Unless there's one in here, huh?
look at your DN pics and use the measurements and you pick to verify.
Pull it up. Hang on, guys. Brad sent this to me, I believe.
That's nice
Okay.
right there.
It doesn't have measurements in it though, but I can at least see it. So you got all these for the tops, okay. That's the top 4. And then we got,
This is gonna be a little one.
we need the gantry wheel. Basically, these 2 is going to go like this. Wait a second. I already tell you, I've messed up already. I've already made a mistake. Round 1, guys. So this one's okay, because this will go down here like this. But this one needs to be turned. And so does this. Because, wait a minute. No, just this one. Let's see. It goes back. The one on each side. Yeah. So one here. And then one across here and here. I think just this one needs to be turned. Let me get that fixed. Should have noticed that in the situation. Ooh, dang, it's tight. Loctite's already trying to sit in on me.
Uh-oh.
No, it doesn't sit in that quick. It's just tight. Just a little tight. Okay, so we need to go across this way like that. All right, there we go. Better. Okay. All right. So that gives the top fours to go around there. This one will go there. This one will go there. But I want to make sure I'm not missing a step. So this real quick too. What's up, Chris? You have an extrusion to use as a story stick. Look at the picture. Instructions are, yes they are. Kind of hard to see that, isn't it? Back. Yeah, so that goes over there. I'm just going to slightly put it together here and see what we got. This is going to, let me see that real quick. Just temporarily tighten this up so it don't move on me. Same thing on this one. Same thing on that one. All right. All these go around the top.
Goes right there.
Which one is that one though? That's the H. H. That's the other one that doesn't have a hole in it, so it's got to be this one here. But it also doesn't have a.
Why does it seem like there should be more than this, like than what you have right there?
No, it should be right. It's just I'll figure it out in a second. Just gonna put them in here and slightly tighten them. The brain may not be in full speed today. Full speed action. Fully speedy action. I'll have to go through and re-square this in a minute. I'm probably going to put something on here that I'm going to have to take off, so that's why I'm not tightening them all the way yet. So give me a show of hands who all's going to Murph. And also who all's going to Earth. Murphers and Earthers. We got Murphers and Earthers in the building? Who's my Murphers and Earthers? Where my Murphers at? Anybody?
Roll this
Huh?
down. You convinced Stephen.
Stephen what?
Oh.
Sweet. Well, Stephen, there's one. Anybody else?
There's a lot.
Huh? Who all said they're going? See their names.
Mini Vice is going to Earth. Stephen's going to Murph. Bruce is going to Murph. Earth, no.
Murph, 3D Utopia, maybe.
Abby says any maker tables left at Murph. Scott's going to Murph. Yeah, you got a lot. Lyndon going to Murph, but not
X-Rail is
Earth.
going to be
Robert, Murph, no Earth. This sounds hilarious.
Murph, no
Happy
Earth.
for sure. Murph, just push print. Murph, yay. 3D Printopia. Megan.
Okay.
Just FYI,
Now we got-
anyone going to Nerf, it's in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
And it's hot.
True
Be
facts.
prepared.
So we need the gantry and the T-spots. So I would think that would be it, but it's not threaded.
The back's over here now, in front.
Huh?
The back's over here now.
Yeah, but I'm fairly certain that, not anyways.
You can camp there. Some people do. It is on a basically a fairground with a campground on it or there. I think a lot of people just get hotels and Airbnbs
I
and
just
stuff
don't know
too.
why these are the same size. These like
Camping
look the
would be
same
pretty
size,
nice
but they're
because
not.
then you can just walk over there, cool off a little bit, walk back. You don't got to worry about leaving.
They're just not the same size. These should be the Ys.
You got some campers.
It's just a hair smaller. I'm using my other one as a reference.
Mississippi's probably worse than where it's at,
So that's what we got left.
especially being near water and stuff. I bet the humidity is
Mississippi. Mississippi's.
bad.
Okay.
Chris says, sounds like an RV trip. I wish we had an RV. That would be really convenient.
T goes across the back through the XY joints to there. We got our X rail, and then we got the rail that comes up from the bottom, but none of these
I
have
hate humidity.
joints on them. A rinse and repeat. Yeah, so that has to be adjusted for the Y extrusion. One of these are for this Y extrusion. I don't know which one. I would assume this one right here needs to be adjusted because these have to be square. Where's that at? Yes, that. So let's loosen that off or tighten it up. One.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
I
Put
really
it
would-
right in here.
I really wouldn't even have thought about that, but
Hold down on it.
Justin push print or just push print.
Just
Or say
push
that right.
print.
He said he's having moisture problems with the PLA just because of humidity.
Yeah, that happens in certain areas. Yeah, for sure. Where does he live?
Mississippi. I believe that was Mississippi, yes.
So let's get this side now.
We're getting somewhere, folks.
Somehow, some way. I didn't even know that was sitting there. What's it doing sitting there?
Do not know.
Didn't even know that it was there.
Jeremy already jumped the gun.
Huh?
You jumping the gun.
Sometimes it's best to jump the gun. Sometimes the gun just needs to be jumped.
On top, on the sides.
Sometimes I'm better with just looking at it.
You're basically doing trial and error. Which one's left is the one that you need for the back.
No, I no, not
That's
quite.
what it looks like.
No.
You're literally doing everything else, and you're like, okay, this is what's left. Now we found it.
No, babe. It's more like, let's build this box and then go from there. Build the box and go from there. But yeah, these need to be spaced right because if it's off, it'll mess with your bed mesh and stuff. Yeah, like your quad gantry level and everything. So you want to use the same space across all of them.
Yep, process of elimination for the win.
All right.
I think I do that in my life more than I
So, yeah. Does that have... Yeah, it's got the hole right there. Okay. Glad that's in the right spot. So there's a hole
should. Got
there.
an ad.
Yeah.
Can they still hear you when there's an ad?
I don't know. I assume.
I was curious about that because if you keep talking and they can't
See,
hear you,
that's
then they
messed
miss
up.
certain lines in it during an ad.
That's messed up because that mounts to the back.
Can I skip your ad?
In the top, but it's just not. That has a bracket mount, I believe, for that. But the bottom, I thought had a screw that went through that hole. I just don't see the threads in any of these. Oh wait, there it is.
Steve said he hears everything. I always wondered when the ads pop up if everyone can hear. And then, like, because if not, if you're on a live stream, then you basically just have to pause until your ad is done.
Steven says he
So I'm
hears it
curious
all,
about that.
doesn't
When I've watched
So
your
it's
videos and
these
the ad
two.
pops up, it's almost like I don't really hear anything but the ad.
he? So it's this one right here that goes there, or one of these. One of them is slightly taller than the
I
other.
noticed that.
So it needs to be the one that I used for this. And this one's, yeah, I'm not sure. It doesn't really show that on there.
Go back to
So this will
picture
go
that
right
I
there.
showed you.
5 by 16. Let's get some juice here. Yum yum juice.
Happy said YouTube Premium is so worth it. Steven said he normally doesn't get ads during live streams, so is that because they pay for that?
Premium, yeah, YouTube
and
Premium.
I do not, so that explains it.
Yep. Oh yeah, I was supposed to slide that in there, wasn't I? That's what happens when you don't follow directions, guys. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. This has to, so it's got a thread here and it has to go in here,
Yeah.
but you have to slide that in before,
Yeah.
otherwise you'll end up having to take it off like I'm doing right now. And then putting it back in there. I think I saw that in there somewhere.
You could probably just stick. Probably don't.
I don't think I can bend it out enough. Yeah, I can. Where's the bolt that I just had right here?
Does that go up from the bottom though?
Yeah, there's a hole in that right there. Get out there. There we go. Okay. Angle bracket.
Learning a lot of what not to do.
Yeah, that's true. That's exactly right. Learning a lot of what not to do. Hey, I'm just a human being.
Should have.
That's the thing about being on live streams is like it's one thing when you're doing this to yourself, but then when everybody's watching you screw everything up, it's like, oh, cool. You know, you're gonna make mistakes along the way, but everybody gets to see all your screw ups, and that way they don't make the screw ups.
Yeah.
So, but it'd be messed up. There's building along with you.
Have to take it apart.
You're like,
yeah.
oh,
I'm not watching
man.
this guy no more.
This guy sucks. Well, maybe just be a little bit behind me, guys. That's probably your best bet. I would just push print. I will critique you.
That'd be as bad as when I was trying
He's-
to build that
he
thing.
said-
I took it apart
you're
so
doing-
many times and put it back together.
Yeah, the V0.
Yeah, and then I gave up and just left it there. Got
You-
irritated at it.
You're doing the just push print. You're doing the Milo. You said right? Okay, we got the top. There's where we're at. Past this point. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. Frame, check for squareness.
You already did the step, now you just show you check it.
Yeah, check for 90s. The rest of these are for the building the gantry and stuff, because everything else is good. So, checking for square. So first I do want to go through here and tighten these up a little bit. Babe, you know how to check for square? Let me show you. You gonna learn?
Sure. I'm gonna set these over here for right now.
I gotta ask her sometimes if she wants to learn, because, you know, sometimes I'll be like trying to show her something, and she'll be like, "Hey, can you know, fix this toilet? The toilet thing, you know, broke again." And I'm like, "Yeah, I got it." And I'll be like, "Okay, honey, let me show you. When this happens, all you gotta do is do this." She's like, "I don't want to learn. I just want it fixed." So sometimes she just wants it fixed. Sometimes she wants to learn. So
if it's something that's going to be a reoccurring thing, I'll learn it. Or
yeah.
if it's something that I think I'm going to need in the near future, I'll learn it. But a lot of times you just try to teach me a million things that's way over my head, and I'm like, I don't know why you're even telling me this.
I wouldn't do that. You don't sound like me.
Yeah, huh?
No. Guys, does that sound like me? Y'all know me. I wouldn't do that. Are they making fun of me?
No, it's a typical woman. They said, dude, in a head-to-head, she would smoke you. Mine plays to save my ego.
She would smoke me? On what? Huh?
Everything.
Everything? Damn, that's brutal. I got mentally attacked on my own live stream by my own wife and by my own people watching. Okay, let's hope this is all squared up.
Jeremy is very smart, but sometimes it's like so smart that you're like, oh, just stop, just please stop, because
Who's
it makes
talking
you feel
smack?
so little. Huh?
Who's talking smack?
No, I'm saying that about you.
Oh.
His
Well.
whole family knows it.
Okay.
I've had many talks with his sister like this. Has he always been like this? Yes, yes he has.
Square. So when you want to check square something, like you can see on the thing, this right here should be a 90-degree angle, okay, on all these. You can also check if you don't have a special tool or anything for that. If you measure from this corner to this corner, it should be the same as this corner to this corner. If it's not, then you know it's not square. You know what I mean? So we can just measure the corner diagonals.
Okay, do it.
Okay. I gotta find my tape measure. It should be a tape measure right there. There it is. Yeah. The metric one would be better.
This?
Yeah. Bring this table down some.
Go, sir.
Okay. So we're gonna go just straight from there and go straight to here. 720 here to there, and it's exactly 720. Exactly. Just to be nice, I'm going to check the bottom too. Actually, I think that's even more square than mine was. It's like not even off a millimeter.
Good thing.
Yeah, beautiful. Damn, I might actually keep this one. Shit. Never mind, guys. Disregard that. Disregard that. One.
Going up. Going
Sit
up.
one. Going up. All right, what do we got next, guys? You know what I'm about to say, though, right? If you haven't hit the like button, hit it now. Like our kitchen cabinets that I won't refinish. My wife is like that as well. If there's something that motivates her, she'll dig into it, like our kitchen cabinets. I said I won't refinish, so she went and researched orbital sanders. That's what she does. I'll come home, like literally I come home like last week or a couple weeks ago, and the carpet was ripped out of the porch. just gone. Like, I guess we're getting new carpet out here. She had like chainsawed bushes down in the front yard and everything else. I'm like, okay.
That wasn't a chainsaw, it was just clippers.
Well, whatever. It was big old bushes and they was all gone.
They needed to go.
Okay, so we need our A and B drives, is what we're about to do. So let's get into it.
Jeremy loves metric.
Oh yeah, I love metric. I wish the United States was metric. They're too jacked up to be metric. Too jacked up for that. What we got here, guys? We got some A and B
Chris
drives,
said he would
X and
also
Y's.
check one of the- Hey,
Huh?
Chris said he would also check one of the sides to see if it's square.
Sure, I'll do that. Why not?
There you go.
Why not? Thank you, Chris. Might as well. That's pretty good.
Better to be
Pretty
safe
good.
than sorry.
Pretty good. 15.
The colors, I believe this is
Beautiful.
Planetarium Blue.
Yeah, I can't get no more square than that. Galactic.
No, yeah, well it's galactic because it's sparkly. But Planetarium Blue from Ambrosia.
Yeah, I think so. Brad, what kind of feeling? Yeah, that's perfectly square, guys.
It's the galactic black too, so the sparkly black from Ambrosia.
So, you want to turn this on here?
Oh boy.
We're not soldering, we're just do it using these.
Inserts.
Let's put some heat inserts in.
Yeah, these colors are going to be really pretty.
Okay, so these are our XY joints. Set these aside. And let's see what all we need. This one. Got some couple little fuzzies on them.
There's something, so we printed parts for West 3D, and everybody always picks their main color black, and then they add the accent black, or whatever accent color they want. But I'm always wondering why they always just choose black, because I feel like it's boring sometimes. No offense, Brad.
Brad's
like,
got, he's doing galactic though.
Yeah, at least he's sparkly, yeah. But like I picked, Jeremy was doing all these purple. And
Don't make fun of my
black,
purple. She likes to talk
gray.
smack about my purple.
And then when you see the like funky colors, that was me, because I'm
Oh,
trying
wait.
to switch it up.
Why do?
And this would have been really cool, Brad, with the I think it was galactic yellow that he had. I'm gonna go get it. It would have looked really cool.
Why did I end up with more of these than I should? This has the CAN bus hookup for the
like
switch.
that. Where's the camera?
There you go.
That would have been cool too, and they're all sparkly.
Okay, that doesn't need so. There's that one. And there's that one. Okay, I don't know how I ended up with the extra one of those. So we got this puppy. We need to put this heat insert in here. And it shows heat inserts on this, but we have a little bit different stuff going on here.
No, Wes, he doesn't give you the option to pick the other color, like your main color to be anything different, but if you put it in, I believe it's like the notes, you can request it and we will do it.
Yeah, put it in the notes. Yeah, so these are the...
We have one right now that's, what is it, orange and blue, I believe. They wanted blue as their main color and orange as their accent.
Yeah, okay. These don't even get any, these are a little different. I'll show you the mod on that here in a few moments. Let's get this put in. Is there any other heat inserts down through here?
We have neon pink and purple.
Will you get me some M5 by 30s?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, after I hunt them down.
Brad.
Actually, neon pink with his galactic grape, that purple shade, that would be really cool looking. You said
In 5 by 30s.
Oh boy.
Fusion filaments. Radioactive orange. That sounds nice.
Yeah,
Radioactive orange.
that would have been a cool name.
And see if you can
Who
dig.
makes that?
I'm gonna need the bearings for this. It's in one of the down there. They're in the. They're in one of these down here, right here.
Oh yay. Who
All right.
makes the radioactive orange? Oh, Fusion Filaments? Because I haven't seen that yet.
Yeah. Put a link to that in the Discord. If anybody's watching right now that isn't in the Discord, in the video here, the description of this video, click on the Discord link and join. And there's a chat, there's a channel in there. It's the streaming channel. You know, use that. Drop the link in there for me.
What we have here is ASA. Pretty much all we use is either ASA or ABS.
I think we're doing pin mod on this. Never mind. Didn't you? Oh boy. Wonderful. One deer full. I thought I had.
Yeah, having the black light up against them. Certain colors definitely stand out more than others. I think we only have black lights in one printer though, and it's just purple. Plain purple.
Let me see here. I think we're gonna have to. We can. I'm trying to think if I want to skip this right now, because these are gonna need the pin mod. I forgot. Brad's gonna make it difficult on me. Brad's gonna make it difficult on me. That's what this is. These are for the. I don't have the pins. I got some pins right here. Some of them, but yeah, these will be the pins pressed in here.
Here I go again. Excuse me.
Showing some filament.
Check these colors. So.
Those are nice.
That's hot pink from KVP, and then the galactic grape from Ambrosia. That would be really, really cool.
That would go good together. That would go nice together.
I can't find it anymore. I don't even think they're baking it. Which that's what this printer is.
Brad, we ordered did we order the actual pins or did we order them to cut them? I can't remember. We ordered the pins and they're over here.
He said yes, we ordered them, remember?
Yeah, I know, but did we order the ones to cut or did we order, do I need to cut them? I think I do.
He said we need to cut.
I need to cut them?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought, damn it. Dang it.
Okay. That's where that machine that you saw, how do you pronounce that? Formbot
Yeah.
Rocky Mountain Riff Rap Festival. That machine that cut, that would come in really handy.
Yeah, I don't have a great way to cut these, so like Dremel is all I use. You got the link, Brad? Put the link, send me the link to this, to the mod so I can get all the sizes. Link to the mod for the sizes.
Heck yeah, Glendon. He's building a Trident right now too, using the Ambrosia Midnight Meteorite and Planetary Blue. So that's like this same color here.
Yeah. Nice.
I don't.
Huh?
Brad, what color did you pick for the black? Because there's two different sparkly kinds of black.
Yeah, I don't know. That's Galactic Planet, like, I'm not up with all the colors yet. I haven't really figured them all out. Here's the pins, guys. So instead of using the bolts in these, we'll be using pins to hold these bearings on. Yeah, we're using the inverted electronics as well. Yep. Inverted electronics. You guys gonna see me get down and dirty. Woohoo! You DM'd it?
FYI.
Midnight Meteorite.
Yeah, this one. So earlier, when I showed it up against the pink, this is not galactic grape.
Okay.
This is the meteorite
Yeah.
one. And I like it a lot. The
Yeah.
grape's more fuchsia.
Okay, so I need to mark some of these. You want to mark them and I'll cut them? Here, I'll get you a. You get a marker?
An e-marker?
Yeah. So I gotta cut these real quick, guys.
Yeah, if I can find one, because you don't ever put anything back.
You got one? Okay. So you see the sizes here, A and B. You need 30 millimeter, 2 of those. So like, do here. We're gonna go like this. Like, measure it to 30 millimeters, like right as close as you can get, right there. Okay. And then let's see. So put the mark where like the very edge of it, you know, like where when I cut on the mark, it'll, so like right there. If I cut right on the mark, it should be right at 30 millimeters.
Do it all the way down.
Just do another one at 30 millimeters right here, and then the other side do the next one, and I'll go through and cut. I'm gonna mute my mic because it's gonna be loud. One. Don't touch that. It's hot.
No,
This one ready?
no,
You didn't measure it?
no.
What's up?
Here, you do it.
You don't want to do it?
No.
Why? Scared?
Yep. Super size.
Well, just put, like, basically what I'm saying is when I cut this, watch. Now, if I put it right on this line, like that, it's going to cut that thick. So it's going to be exactly the length. You know what I mean? So as long as you don't put the mark, like, right on 30 millimeters, then it'd be too short. You see where I put it? Right there, like right where the very, you know, the line's like that thick.
A little over.
That very edge of the line is 30 millimeters. I'll mark it.
Why is one smaller than the other?
Yeah, it's just, I don't know. Maybe we already got one cut.
Yeah, it makes me wonder though, like I don't say if I cut this much off of this one, then you might end up where you can't use the rest, so you know what I mean?
Mark it yet? No?
No,
28 millimeter times 2. You already moved to 28? That last one was 30, wasn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Here. Okay.
You need like 4 of those.
4 the 28?
Yeah, because it says 2 up here. Yeah. And then where'd it go? Z idlers is 4. I don't know which side was hot here.
So I can cut these. Now let's start building the.
Do not roll. Do not roll. Do not roll. Actually.
One more 28.
You need a bunch
check it
of 28
for you.
because
I know the other one.
those are, I did that one and that one 28. Where are you putting them? On the, right there on the ground?
Yeah, they're over here. I'm letting them cool off.
So many boxes.
The pants ain't caught on fire yet. That's good.
That was 28 too right there.
All right, so the 28. So that's how many more we need after that?
I think that's 3 that you've
We need
done.
the 40s and everything else too. Okay, hang on. AB 30 millimeter.
You already did 30s.
XY.
And I think you've done 3 28s. But you need 2 here and 4 for down here.
Killing me. A lot of cut.
Yeah.
Okay. So. I can't do live streams. I have a potty mouth. Rude mom will make me shut down to cut the grass. Okay. Do you think you're able to do this part?
The inserts?
Let me get them. Clean them up a little bit.
Yeah. Need heat protecting gloves.
You're gonna have to take the heat. So round them off just a little bit on the edges. These are okay. All right. So basically, these go in just like that. Do you think you can do those? We need the 5 millimeter spacers too. Let's see if the wife can
Are
put
they
this
gonna be up
together.
here or down here? Over here, probably. This hot
Probably
pile.
in there with all that stuff, yeah. 5mm spacers look for. Maybe not though.
Yeah, right here.
They're not in there?
These?
You find them?
That's the only spacers I see in here.
That's the 3mm spacers.
I don't
Up there.
see any other.
Right there.
Oh.
Okay. I'll continue cutting these if you want to. So you have two that are, you know.
Why do you put an insert in this one and just that one?
What happened here? Why do I have one that's like 30mm? I did cut another 28. That last one was 28mm.
Yeah, I gave you. I told you you did 2 30s and 3 28s.
Oh, no, I didn't do the. Look, I didn't cut this one yet.
But I think that was a 28.
Well, I don't know. I just know that I have, right now I have 3 28s. See, this is the 30. I have 3 28s. Oh, wait a minute. No, that's the 28. I think.
Yeah, but you did cut 2 30s. It's probably rolling around on the floor over there.
No, I didn't. I cut 4 total.
Oh.
I cut 4 total. So right here I've got. Continue 28, 28, 28. All right, this is your 30, and these 3 are 28s. Okay, those 3 are 28s right here. 3 28s, and this is the 30. So the smaller one's gonna go right there. The bigger one, I think, anyways.
Yeah, because it doesn't say.
Let me cut this in 30mm one first. I need to open up the link to that mod, and I'll help you. Right on the other side of this.
Why is it not? Uh-oh. I pushed the table. I pushed the table. They don't
You
go.
gotta cut. They're kind of hard
Yeah,
to get in
see, they-
there.
Not.
Yeah, they are kind of tough.
Weird. Oh, I keep touching the thing. This is gonna be a longer one.
Hot, 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 guys. That is hot. Woo.
I'm just struggling getting it in the hole.
Struggling getting it in the hole.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes that's a struggle. Steven said, when in doubt, honey, get a hammer.
Yeah. I'm afraid I'll break the plastic.
When in doubt, smack it with a hammer.
You got one?
She said, you got one? Don't play games with her.
I got a mallet.
Don't even play games. She will knock the crap out of it. She ain't playing.
What'd you do with it, Jeremy? It was been here forever. Oh, Jeremy has to move stuff, not put it back where it goes. You're a hot mess. Where'd it go, Jeremy?
The hammer, the orange one?
Yeah.
It's right there.
Well,
The dead blow
it's been
hammer?
in here forever.
Okay.
Yeah, that.
Hang on before you knock that in. I think... Oh, I need to leave that open, don't I? What sizes did you put right there? What sizes did you put on those?
I followed this, so this one would be the shorter one. I did 28 because there's not as many bearings, and this one I did 30 because you have to fit
Did the
all
bottom
that on
one
there.
go in? No, not really.
No, I can't get them out.
So that. Oh,
What did you do?
sorry. Dropped one of your spacers. Dropped one of her spacers there. I would think that that's supposed to be...
This should be 28. Yeah. Really?
What?
What the poop is this?
Open it up. It's 28. It's close. It's not gonna be perfect. It's close.
This should be your other 30.
Okay. Okay, guys. We're in there. Look at that. Looking good, looking good. Good job, babe. One thing, though, that I will need to do with this. That thing needs to knock in a little bit. And yeah, do the same thing on that one.
Yeah, they're not.
No, they're not here. Just tap them in a little. It was right. You can't get it. Just smack it with a hammer.
I'm too afraid of breaking the plastic.
Smack her with a hammer. I think this kit may have come with, since it has the canbus, it probably already has the switch for this. Let's see some wiring here. See what we got. Can in stop. Doo-doo. That's for the X. So we've got one for the X here. It's going to plug in to can in stop. But there should be one for here that goes down up the Y. You smack your finger? What'd you do? Smack it?
Nothing like that at all.
What'd you do?
I just...
What?
Okay, nothing. Just
What'd you do, guys?
Just pretend I'm not here. Just ignore me.
What'd
Okay,
you
just
do?
Ignore me.
I missed it. You need the safety glasses, honey?
No, I do not. it.
So here's the wire I was looking
I
for.
was trying to make sure it went in, and when I flipped it upside down to look,
Everything
it
fell out?
Oh, yeah.
You'll have that on them big jobs. Yeah, that happens from time to time.
Well, it's just
So
and it
we
wasn't
should
it.
have screwed this in first, but I think I can
be loud.
still. It's okay. It won't.
See, and then I went like
I've
this,
got the
see?
limiter set where it won't be any. You did it again, didn't you?
On the other side. How far do you want them to go in? Like that?
Yeah, flush.
Ooh.
And then the other sides look thicker. See,
You bang on it.
you got all the spacers in.
Yeah.
Are they in there though?
What do you mean?
Yeah, they're in there. Okay.
Yeah, everything's there. Just
All right, you're good.
tipping it back over.
All right.
Can't get it in there. It's not my job to get it in the hole.
No, it's my job. That's my job. That's my job. Better if you have a hard surface to get it in there. And I think that was probably the 28 other way around. That's probably why it's
It's
flush
just
right there.
because it's not coming like
Yeah,
that.
I know. I bet this one needs to be, but see, it's flush there and not there. I think they need to be switched,
Let me
but it's okay.
see this one. I did them the same. I did them
Yeah,
the
it's
same
still
way.
just, it's
It's
fine.
your cutting.
Oh, it's my cutting. Okay.
Yeah, I
That's my
did
cutting,
it exactly
guys.
the same way because
my
look,
cutting.
right here.
Mm-hmm.
This doesn't have as many, so I did the smaller, the shorter,
It's fine.
shorter one. This you have to be able to fit all that, so I used the longer one.
Yeah, it's fine. All right, so we got both of those.
And you have another part up under here, so.
Need to knock that in. That's the other one. But yeah, this needs to be. And
What do you need? Let me put these up,
I
please.
know.
Okay.
Sorry guys, I ain't been on the chat here much. Maybe you want to keep up the chat for me, see what's going down in there. Scroll up a little. So there is a wire here. There is a section for this to go anyways, but this has to be depinned. Got to depin it, depin it. All right, guys, we got like 4 minutes for the giveaway. 4 minutes for the giveaway. So we need to depin this sucker.
Know any good Konami screens?
Any good Nomi screens?
Yeah, I say Konami.
Well, I mean, the new one's got the touch screen now.
You said gift packs.
Huh?
GIF packs.
Gift packs.
Yeah, look. Gift packs.
Oh, those. No, I don't. I'd like to know some of those. So if you know any, I'd like you to share them with me. There's some things you can change in there. So this is, you see I'm moving the wire through there. There's a little slot down inside here for the wire to go, and it comes out right there. That way it can go right up the Z-chain. And this has your one screw. This is better to put on before you put it together, but
Are you doing tap on this?
no, this is cartographer. Somebody asked.
Yeah, they said they went sensorless.
Oh, yeah, so you can go sensorless. This, I like the end stops better myself. They're just more accurate. Now I need the M5 or M3 or M2, I'm sorry, M2 little baby screws. M2s.
We have 2 teenagers, and they do not have a blast with us because we are pretty strict parents.
Oh, we're
I'd
not
say.
strict parents. Don't let her fool you. They have like one chore. Do dishes. Load the dishwasher.
Yeah, I don't mean by chores. I mean by what we allow.
Yeah. Well, you shouldn't allow other stuff that they try to do.
Although my oldest daughter did say like the kids at school tend to not like her because she's more like acts younger than she is and she's goofy and kind of annoys them. but she says she gets it from Jeremy, so it's his fault.
Yeah, she did say that yesterday.
We try to have fun with them, and you know.
She did say that yesterday.
But they're 15 and 16, and at this age, they're getting into all kinds of trouble and around all kinds of things that I don't want them around. So I'm a little more strict on like what I allow them to do, where I allow them to go, that sort of thing.
Yep.
And they don't like it.
Nope, they do not. Oh man.
What did you drop?
Dropped the screw. Goes right in there.
I do have a 9-year-old too, but she's in Kentucky.
Yeah, she was on my last video.
She cuts
Well,
up.
not my last video, but
I love littler kids. Teenagers are oof.
teenagers are hard to deal with. Hard to deal with. Get in there, right
Joseph
there.
says he's almost done with his Trident build, just some skirts to print and the doors to do. Are you doing any introverted electronics mods?
I am doing inverted electronics mod. Did you do that on yours? Okay, now the switch is mounted.
Oh, Brad answered him. Brad's on it.
So guys, if you ever have to depin these, make sure you stick this little razor or something underneath there and pry that up. That way it makes the connection and locks in there better. Because if you depin them, these JSTs, a lot of times it won't make that connection, that real good connection if this isn't pulled back up.
Steven says get some Nerf blasters. He has 4 daughters, ages 33 to 13. Woohoo!
Nerf blasters.
Man, girls are rough. We
Nerf
have
blasters,
all
huh?
girls, too. Jeremy's supposed to be doing a video on a Nerf blaster or a Nerf gun that he's
Yeah.
3D printing.
Not supposed to, is going to.
Eventually.
See how she says, guys? He's supposed to be doing a video.
8-year-old twin. Oh, boy and girl. Perfect combo. If I had that, I'd be like, I'm done.
Yeah.
I still had 2 girls and said I'm done, though, but
Yeah.
I did want a boy and I didn't get one.
Yeah, that's how it tends to work out, unfortunately. Guys, let's do the giveaway. You ready? Everybody ready? Did you guys hit the link in the description? If you didn't, 2 minutes. Hit it now. Fill it out. We got 2 spools of filament, one for Polymaker, one for Ambrosia. The Polymaker is United States and Canada, and they will ship international. You just got to let them know where you are at. The Ambrosia, I think it's just United States only. Yeah. So fill that out. Okay, let's do it.
Why does this part look
Brad?
good to me?
That's a different style.
Yeah,
It's
it's
the one that's in that one. No, I don't know. This one right here. It's in this printer. See?
Oh, okay.
Anyways, Brad, did you put the you got the link giveaway set up? Good, right there.
Girls are awesome.
Thank y'all for subscribing. Hit the like button for me too if you have not yet. Okay. Let's maybe you want to do the giveaway and I'll be cutting some of these pins. You want me to help you? Let me get it set up. Or grab my phone real quick.
You've only let me do that once and it was not
Come here and I'll show
very
you.
smooth.
Show you how it does. I'm just going to show you a quick run around on this real
But you
quick.
also said you changed the wheel.
I know. So I'm just going to show you this real quick run around. So you got one screen here, and if you click this button here, it says Studio, see? It gives you 2. So now all these over here are your different views. They won't see this, they only see that one. So switch to the view that we want, like this one. You know, get it adjusted or whatever, however you want. We got to disconnect off that over there, I think. Let me close this out real fast.
I'm basically just following you around, not knowing what to do.
You're fine, babe. I'm gonna have you. I just gotta disconnect from
Waiting
this.
for instructions.
Disconnect this. Now we're good. All right. So yeah. Basically, you want to pull this up like this. Okay. So, and we're gonna cut and move it over there. But you just want to open the browser. Brad. Oh, first, let's do this real fast. Let's cut this over so they can see. What's up, guys? We're back. Okay. Now they can see this one's different, so we can come over here. These are all the names.
Nice. Does it tell you how many's in there?
There's a lot. We got a lot in here today, guys. That's cool. All right, so we need all these names.
On the wheel.
What are we doing? Are we doing the wheel, or are we doing the new style, guys? What do you think?
What's a new style?
We're gonna spin the wheel, or are we gonna spin the new? Do I have names for my different printers? Not really good ones, other than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Not names, but themes.
Yeah. Do the new wheels. Okay. The new one. Well, I can't remember the name of that one. Let me find it. Let me find it, guys.
That
It's in my
one?
bookmarks.
It's like everyone calls it either the roller rink or the Hot Wheels printer.
Yeah.
That one. I did that one based on Mario.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That one.
Mario.
It's like a watermelon colors, like stuff like that, but not necessarily a name.
All right. So you can look here. You can hit studio mode to turn that back off just so you see this is the only screen that you look at.
You
So
better do this.
I know. I'm just showing you for next time. So you just open this up here. They can see it here. We're going to put all the names that he just sent me. This is the names. Does everybody see the names here? If your name is not in here, let me know. It should be everybody's names. Just check back again here. Except I know one thing. I know Lester's on, but he's probably not going to go in, I guess, because he's just not watching today. All right, so we got number of winners 1.
1? Oh, shouldn't you have 2? Or do you do 1 and then do it again, another 1?
Didn't know what I was going. I thought going different Marvel comic characters. Mama has no interest in my projects. Oh boy. Okay, so we got everybody's names here. Good luck, everybody, for this. We're going to open this up, and we should. Whoa, wait. Let me double check this. I think. Show random names. Duration 10 seconds. Number of winners 1. This one's just a little different, guys. I'm not used to this. Okay, just to check something, we're gonna pull over here. So I think we just, do that.
What is it doing?
It'll go like this, and then it'll just pick a name. But
Oh, that's weird. So it's not a wheel at all anymore.
yeah.
Mike.
Okay. All right.
Was that the
Oh,
winner?
I mean,
What are
no,
you
babe.
doing?
I was just testing it. Hang on. It was just a test. All right. That was not a spin, guys. All right.
He's awful.
I was bringing it over here, so I was just showing you. You don't know you got to keep up with the game, babe.
I saw it going through names. I figured you were
No,
ready.
I was testing it just to make sure. All right, guys, this is ready for the spin. This is going to be for the. We're going to do the ambrosia first this time. So spinning this for ambrosia, United States, and here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hit it. There she is. I'm not doing nothing. Who do we got? Who do we got? Who do we got?
Hopefully somebody new.
Woo!
Have you ever won before?
Just push print. No, he's not.
Awesome.
I think this was the first stream he's been on, right? Pretty sure. Yeah. Just push print. You won a spool of ambrosia filament. Ambrosia.
Mm-hmm. Which is pretty much a lot of the colors we've
I'll-
been talking about today.
I will contact you after the stream and get you set up with that. Congratulations. Okay. And just push print. I think we got to take him out. All right.
Awesome sauce.
All right, you guys ready? Ready for the next spin? You should have my email if you still have my card. And I'll hit you up on Discord. If you have a profile on West 3D, then I can get you set up real easy. You can just tell me what kind you want, your address. If your address is already in there and stuff, I'll get it and set and ship to you. Otherwise, I'll set you up with an account. Okay. Now this one's going to be for the Polymaker. United States and Canada, but they will ship nationwide mostly, ish. So here we go.
Alrighty.
And there it is again. It's not rigged. It is not rigged. Travis B.
I believe Travis has.
Travis B, are you here? You gotta make sure you here.
But I get confused.
Actually,
sometimes.
I think the first time was last week that we had one that somebody won that wasn't here at the time of the drawing, so we had to redraw.
Yeah, I think I was watching it.
Travis B is definitely here.
Another repeat winner. That's what I thought.
Yep. Hey, it's what it is, man.
So, what we need is more people to get entered into the drawing to make the odds.
Well, yeah, but that's good for these people. Like they get to win. They get to win stuff. It's good, guys. Just be here, man. Just be here. That's all you gotta do. All right. So I got you guys.
He's probably got a little bit of everything now.
Travis, Brad will get in contact with you. I will get in contact with you. Just push print.
Mm-hmm.
And then we go over here to this. And we cut that back over. Just like that.
Awesome.
Just like that. Okay. And that's how it's done. And that's how the cookie crumbles. Lander says, how many times do you stream? Right now, the stream schedule for me is every Saturday at 12. Sometimes I'll do another stream but I've just been usually doing Saturdays at 12. And I do a stream for the members only. Once a month, I'm doing those. I'm getting ready to start a build. Really cool build for that. If you look at my YouTube section there, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's like a astro photography thing. Pretty neat.
You're starting to do that too?
Yeah.
How are you going to juggle that one?
I just do that once a month.
Oh.
I just don't know when I'm going to do it. Yeah, it'll probably be a weekday. It'll be a weekday one, like Tuesday or something. I'm not sure.
Just got signed up on West 3D. Looking forward to chatting.
Catching
next week's stream, or catching next week's
yeah.
stream.
Okay, so I need to get off of this. Where is my PDF at? Okay. Let's go ahead and get these out. I'm trying to avoid doing this as much as possible so I can cut these later. I didn't realize I had to cut all these, and I don't want to take 45 minutes cutting pieces of steel. You guys are going to get bored with that. So I'm trying to do some other things. So let's put the motors on. We can do that. So we need the GT 22 pulley and 2 motors. These are the XY motors. It'll be these 2 right here. Yeah. Yeah, and these.
They have them labeled.
They won't say XY, but they'll just be these. So we got our XY motors here. I'm going to move this off the table to make this a little easier, because this is actually nice when you can do this here. When I do this, it's actually very nice. You can see what I'm doing. Not such a pain in the butt to see.
No, he gives 2 spools every stream.
Yeah.
One from Polymaker and one from West 3D.
Yep.
Ambrosia.
2 spools every stream. Let me move this a little bit.
Go ahead.
Okay, good. Now we can see what's going on better with this mat behind us. Much better.
Your son wants to print some army military vehicles? Like...
Not even Nero does that. Yes!
What?
He gives away 2 spools of filament every stream.
Yeah.
We give you guys filament every stream because we love you so much. Love all of you.
Makermind Nexus, hey.
What's up, Makermind? My brother. If you was here, I'd hug you, buddy.
I'm still curious about these military vehicles. Are you talking like toy type things?
Makermind, when I seen him at Remurf, got a chat with him because I chatted with him a lot on here and stuff, and I seen him at Murph. He said, "Bring it in. I'm a hugger." Makermind Nexus. He's a cool dude. He's my new buddy. He's my new buddy. All right, so we need the GT22's pulleys. You want to see if you can find those for me?
Where?
The pulleys. Actually, where is all the pulleys at?
I don't know. You have stuff everywhere. I would assume.
In there or down here? I don't know. There's stuff everywhere. Hold on, guys. Hold on.
Here.
Hold the horsies. Okay, it's almost got to be with.
It's not up there. It's right here.
Oh, there should be another set too. These are the idlers.
Whoa. That's interesting.
No, there's the IGUS cables or bearings. It came with these, which was nice.
Right here.
G5Cs.
What is that? Those look different. What the heck are those?
Those are spacers.
Well, you'd think they would have been right here where the other ones were, but...
Yes, hugs are always better, ain't they, buddy? Yep, he got to come to our work defense contractor on Thursday and see the vehicles that we work with. He wants small versions.
That's cool.
Have you seen the print and place helicopters? There's an AH-6 little bird version.
That's really cool.
Did you find the other ones? It should be
No.
down there. Huh? They should be right there. Where did you see those at?
Right there. That's what I said. They should be right beside it, but they're not. Wes actually has some, I think it's called desert sand color that he came out with. That was like an army color, and it'd be really neat too.
What in the world? It's got to be right here with them.
It's not.
Okay, guys.
Not unless it's in that bag.
Somebody's playing tricks on me. So I got these.
So many parts.
Need the pulleys. There should be 2 pulleys here somewhere.
Many parts.
They're probably over here with this stuff somewhere.
A bazillion.
Somewhere with the other stuff.
Why would
Here they are.
That's the problem of doing an unboxing.
Found it. Yeah, I know. Unboxing. Y'all wanted an unboxing. I gave you an unboxing video.
You find them?
But everything's unboxed now. Yeah, I found them.
Okay.
All right, so we need these right here. Okay. So what we're going to do, these got your little, usually always come with 1 extra grub screw.
You can steal them sometimes. It's okay.
What?
He said, don't worry, he's not trying to steal my man.
Eh?
He said his wife doesn't approve of anyone more important than her.
Me and Makermind's going to do a live stream together soon.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Yeah, y'all be prepared for that. Me and him's going to do a live stream together soon. Don't know what, but we're gonna get together on that.
Currently rocking his West 3D tee.
Nice. Even if it's just
Jeremy always does. I think he's got like 20 of them now. So
Even-
like he could wear the same thing every day.
yeah, even if it's just he's jumping in and talking smack to me on the build. I know he'd probably like to do that. So we want to put the Loctite on these guys. Always put your Loctite on there. You guys can't see this down here, but I'm going to do it. So put a little bit of Loctite on. Screw it in there.
Yeah, unboxing is like Jenga. It never goes back in the same as it came out.
Yeah, these things are very, very, very packed in. You're right about that.
Like when they talk, I wish I could hear their voices. So I'm just reading it.
Why? So you know what they sound like?
Yeah, and if I'm like, how do you pronounce your name?
You can ask them. So whose name do we want to pronounce?
This I want to say Musaka or Moose.
Musaka. Yeah. How do you pronounce your name? My wife wants to know.
I mean,
I ask them sometimes if I don't know. I don't want to say it wrong. They don't mind if you ask. Do you guys? No one minds.
Machado.
They don't mind, I promise. These are all good people.
Oh, he said I said it right.
Said it right? How did you say it?
Now I'm going to say it wrong.
How did you say it?
Musaka.
Musaka?
No.
Huh?
It reminds me of the Greek word, I believe it was like a food. I saw it on a movie once, but I don't know if that's where you're going with that. Yeah. Anyway, they said they're printing with the Ambrosia Faded Desert Brown the last week. It's a nice color. It's also a color I haven't really seen before. I've seen lots of tans and browns and whatnot, but that is a pretty cool color.
I should have 100 of these.
Obviously, I'm not in the brains here, but I do like all my colors. I love all the colors.
Are these the same as the Trident ones? Yeah. So we need one of these guys if you don't have one. I do use these, but I will say there's nothing better to lining these up than actually, once you get your belts on and everything lined up, to actually get down there and look at it eye level to see if it needs to come up or down slightly. That's honestly the best way to do this. But you can get it, you can use this, and it's usually pretty good. Close anyways. So you can see one for the A drive needs to go on like this. Needs to go on the top. The other one will be like upside down basically. So we're going to put this on. It's got to be along the D shaft. So what I do is put it on there, find where the D shaft is there, and slightly tighten it up just to where it touches, and loosen it back out.
So
same thing on this one.
Pretty sure Ambrosia has PLA too.
Yeah, they got all kinds of
So
stuff.
if you wanted to pick a spool of that, you can. I want to say he has. I don't know if they're all galactic colors in PLA too.
No, these got all kinds.
Yeah.
So the A spot here, when it says A, I don't know if you can see it, but this says A. It's going to go on like this, and you can line that pulley right up. You don't want it down there. You want this little spot to be right along with the groove. Now you want to tighten that for me?
Jeremy, how moisture sensitive is ASA or ABS compared to PLA and nylon versus nylon?
Tighten this up. Nylon can be right there. That right there. Nylon can be a little touchy. Right there.
I really can't see.
It's okay. Just tighten
It's not moving.
You got it tight? Okay, you tightened it then. But yeah, it's not too bad. It just depends on your environment. A lot of it does. If you're in a high humidity area, what I do is all my filament I have like once I open it out of the package, I have these boxes from Lowe's. They're cobalt. They're black. They're waterproof ones. So I put all my filament in there and lock it up, and it's got a seal around it. And inside of it, I got some dry packs. So.
Steven said he's never had any issues with ASA or ABS. I will say we definitely have. Mostly the KVP ABS. We had a lot of issues with their stellar colors, which is part of why we're really not using them anymore.
Yeah.
And as far as filament dryers, I think we have like 5 now.
Yeah.
2 of them that he had, and they don't do a great job, but we did just get one, or 2 different ones, right?
Yep.
From, is it Polymaker?
Yeah, we got one from Poly and then one from Fix Dry.
Yeah, so we have a couple he's about to do a video on just to try and see which one's the best, I guess.
Yep. Yeah, but
We
so
could definitely use a better one.
the ABS and ASA is not much of a problem, but the nylon, that's a little bit of a different story. You guys definitely want to keep that dry because it's like it'll get wet a lot easier. Soaks up water, moisture easier anyways. In my experience, and most other people's. In 3x30s, babe.
Hold on, I'm reading. Like mine Nexus said he had some that was 3 years old in open air and can just throw it in the printer and go. That's pretty awesome. I wonder if it's is it pretty dry where you are? Like, cause we are in a garage. There's some moisture out here.
Yeah, it stays pretty. It stays pretty dry here. Why?
Yeah, we aren't using KVP, although what stinks is we have a lot of it from when we were using it, and now we're like, what do we do with it all?
Yeah, we got a lot of KVP to dump off, don't we?
Yeah, too much. And a lot of this is fine, the stuff that we have, but they have started going downhill.
So this is the A drive, so it's going to be on the right side of the printer. So make this connector here, you want it to be facing in. So here, like this right here, like that. I could probably zoom this in some. It's kind of far out. There we go. Now we got our 3 screws here. We're going to do to mount this on.
Steven,
Just
are you
like-
talking about the galactic yellow? I have a V0 too, and I want to take it back apart, I think.
Show 'em the V0.
I've never finished it yet because I gave up a long time ago, and after I saw some really cool ones, it really just made me be like, that's hideous now. So I have to redo it.
She started doing the V0 and then she went to Murph and saw all kinds of other cool stuff. So she was like, mine sucks now. I got to tear it apart and redo it.
Yeah, pretty much.
I said, basically, honey, don't do that. I said, if you do that,
I got pretty far. I mean, not far, but
if you do that, you're never going to get it built.
yeah. I don't know what I was thinking when I picked these colors. I really don't.
Yeah, I don't know. I think you didn't really want that color. That's the only ones we had.
Can they see it?
You can put it up here.
Anyway.
This is a V02.
Yeah, it's gonna get took back.
We're going to tear it apart and redo different colors on it.
Also, I always tell people about this.
Mm-hmm.
That I did. What was
Backward,
it? Out of them.
the V01.
Yeah, then I had to take it apart and redo that too. Now I'm gonna have to take it apart again. I'll get her done one day.
Okay.
Maybe I'll take that to Murph and just sit at a table like the other people were doing. So get out of my way, it's my table.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going through this. We already did all that. So now this one goes, just like I was showing, goes upside down, as you would call upside down. This one goes on like this instead of the other way around. And this one is the B drive, which it's kind of hard to see here, but that says B right there on this, and this says A. So you want to put this here and line that up, that groove up. See how it needs to come up a little bit to line up in that belt path. Okay, so you tighten that for me, honey?
I don't know how you expect me to read that in.
Well, just a second. I just need to borrow you for one. Hang on. Let me get it lined up. Go ahead. Tighten it. Oh, sorry. You guys can't see.
It's like every time
Got
you
it?
tell me
Okay.
that, it's like
Because it's almost tight. I just barely had it loose.
a couple questions. I'm trying to help you out here.
Uh-huh.
Where'd it go? Makervine said, did you get the, is it Libre board?
Yes, I did. I ended up with 2 of them. Thank you, sir. MakerMine was set up with Libre was set up with him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I got one from him, and one of the guys didn't want his, so I ended up with two.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna do some playing with these too. I got all kinds of good stuff. All kinds of good stuff.
And
So that's
Steven, yeah, that yellow,
that's A.
it's like probably the
like
brightest
that.
yellow I've seen so far. It's pretty cool. We haven't got to use it yet though.
B, A. All right, now that's how we want it, like that. And we want the connections facing each other like that. And we can put these on.
Steven says he still has a LDO 0.2 from last year to finish.
Oh.
Is it not just me that you're just like, ugh, you start it and then
No, it's a lot. She's never built a printer or anything like this before, so it's all new to her too.
I've helped you a lot.
Yeah,
I got that far by myself.
Yeah. Yeah, she's seen me do a lot and helped me a lot in my process, so she's definitely not a noob. She knows her way, and she's printed so many of these parts. She could tell you every single part and what they are on a 2.4 or Trident, because we printed so many parts, and she's packaged and inspected and started so many prints.
I can't tell you the name of the parts. I can just tell you if something's missing.
Yeah, she knows all the
There's
parts for a
supposed to be
2.4.
5 of these.
Yeah.
1 of these.
Like this thing. How many of these are supposed to be?
2.
2. Yeah.
But it's in front of me.
Yeah, I would say that's in front of you. Yeah, it's cheating. Cheating. She's cheating. So there's those. We got them built. Nice. Looking good. Looking good.
And I know how to tell, like, if something's new. I'm like, I ain't seen this one before. It's a new part. What'd they change?
Yeah. Okay.
Read this real quick, though. He has a problem with this 2.4 build. It keeps modding it before I even do my first print. Am I saying that right?
It keeps say that again. Yes, he has a problem.
M-O-D-D-I-N-G modding before he does his first print.
I have that problem with I keep modding it before. Oh, he keeps modding. It means
He's changing it?
he keeps changing things on it
Okay.
before he. Yeah.
I was thinking like there was a real problem.
So he was trying to diagnose him, wasn't you?
Yeah.
It's like, well, here's what you need to do: quit modding your printer and start the print.
Yeah.
I'll just leave him up there.
I get
guess.
it though.
Yeah, that can happen to the best of us.
It's hard because they always are coming out with something new, and then you're like, oh, I'm almost done. Oh, nope, now I see something cool. I want that too.
Yeah, it happens to the best of us.
MakerMind says you guys should do a stream for Murph. That would be really cool, because then you guys can do it together and interact with people around and stuff.
Yeah, for sure. I'm down. We're definitely going to be doing some stuff together, so.
What'd you do? Scroll up?
I scrolled down. You was up.
I know, because I'm trying to keep
Oh,
up.
okay.
Trying to answer
You're still trying to catch up?
Yeah.
M5. Ooh, so we got some different ones here. All these in the front are M5s. And wait a minute. I think that's going to be different, isn't it? Yeah, the fronts are these. It's all M5s.
Hey.
Hopefully I can get that in there. Yeah.
Read this here. Planning on adding to my Ender 6 that I am voronizing. Isn't that what you just did? Basically, with this?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I wonder, but he's newer, so I wonder if he saw that stream.
I don't probably. What's his name?
Just push print.
Yeah, just push print. I just did a stream on the Ender 3 to the Physitech switch wire. You can check out. It's actually right here. This printer right here. I don't know if you can see it right now, but I can show it to you later. So I need M5s and M3 T-nuts. Let's go ahead and load up the T-nuts. Guys, this won't be an extremely long stream today because I've got My niece's birthday party is today. So we're going to hang out a little bit longer here. I'm going to put these, probably go ahead and get these mounted up, put the T-nuts in, get our A and B drives mounted, and shut her down. Shut her down.
One printer's never enough.
That's true.
I feel like it could be, but it's
No, it's not. One printer. What happens if something breaks on your printer?
It depends what you're wanting them for. But for you, it was an addiction. You're like, ooh, another one. And
but
another
no,
one,
really
and
though.
another one.
What happens if a plastic part breaks on your printer? What are you gonna do? Yeah, you need two at least,
Build
don't you?
0.2.
Yeah, exactly. A 0.2. You need that second printer. At least two, guys. Everybody should have two printers. That's my rule of thumb. You all should have two printers. Every home in America.
Every home.
It's my goal. Every home in America. You know, these are your favorite thing to do.
What?
Put these T-nuts in. All right, let's put them in. So they go facing, these ones right here go facing the front. Let's make sure it's the same though, because these are not the same. Like this is one of the situations like you ran into with your printer. This is a mod.
Yeah.
This isn't standard.
Yeah.
So yeah, these are all going to go in like this, with them facing the front, basically. Guys, like this here, on the front and underneath on the bottom. So I'll just set them in there. Did you catch up on there, babe?
Pretty much. The last comment here, but this is like tech talk. Too much tech talk. Read this. Curious if it can be used. That's not something I would know.
It runs Linux, and Linux CNC is one of the main OS options to control the Milo. What do you think of the fridge door mod? Just push print. Ask MakerMind. MakerMind, can you answer that for him? About the Libre board? Fridge door mod. That's the best door mod in the world. It's right here. And also, if you haven't seen it, I did a video on that. So when you get done watching this, go check it out and hit like on it for me. It's actually a pretty good video.
I have mixed feelings about it.
Why?
Because
it's big.
It looks nice. Obviously, it's going to seal it up better. But
it does
if you
seal up a
need
lot
to
better.
Open it, like you're letting so much heat out because you can't just open one side. It's like wide open.
Yeah, you don't want to leave it open as much. I mean, but typically when you open the other one, you open them both anyways.
I know. A lot of times.
Just open one side, I guess.
Yeah. Or let's say you got some stringing going on or something. I just want to reach in and grab it. Like I don't think I'll open it wide open.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's multiple reasons you would not always want to open it wide open.
So this one, the top needs that, and the bottom. Let's see, top needs M5s, and the bottom needs M5 and M3.
What's Brad doing on this one?
M3. Hang on. Well, on what?
The door.
What do you think?
The clicky.
Yeah, the clicky clack. Definitely the clicky clack. So M5's on the top, and M5 and M3 on the bottom. So the M5 touches the frame. So we've got an M5, then an M3. Just gotta make sure I get them right. M5, M3.
Direction.
I always just set them in there and then take something like this to lock it in place. And then when you got the M3s, you gotta use a smaller size. Not sure where we're at with that, but somewhere like in there is good. And then the top is done besides those needs to be up back here. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. We are rocking. Getting right along, guys. Getting her done. Yeah,
I feel like I could be doing something else that I know you've done, but...
Well, if you want to help me next week too, which would be nice, I'll actually have
do inserts or
I'll have some stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna have some stuff prepped. If you scroll down, you can scroll down. Hey, look. Hang on. Like you can go to the next section. Like right here. Come here. Like this section. The rails. You can start getting the
Oh yeah.
y-axis rails, which is it's going to need all of them right through there, or
Grease them up.
this right here. Look, do this one. I got a better one for you.
Don't do the rails.
Actually, I don't know if I have that.
You just do you, boy.
Block. 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 Where was that at, guys?
Oh, your stupid zip ties.
Well, there is here some. No, too far. Too far.
Just do that.
I know.
it's
I know.
fine.
I'm going back here. And put those in. And those in. Okay. M5. Where is the bar for that? Rear brace. There's what I need. You get that rear brace. Where's the other frame? Extrusions down there?
Yeah. These?
Yes. So this is going to go like here and here. Man, that's going to be hard to get in there actually. Probably should have like got it in otherwise, but all right, she's in there. So the one that goes across here, I don't know which one it is. It's one of these small ones. Why is one like just a hair smaller than the other? I don't like that idea. It's this one or the other one.
Yeah, I find that odd too.
Yeah, I find it very, very odd. Wait, but it's got to be one or the other. I don't know which one it is.
Really?
So it has to match. Which one does it say? It says de-extrusion. Is that? Let's go up and find which one the de-extrusion is. Here, take those. It's going to be one of these two. This is page whatever. De-extrusion. My little rolly doesn't work with the crap on this. It's not the smallest one. It's the next one. So it's this one right here. Okay, here you go. Found it. We're getting through it, guys. You want to load this up for me just like it says? See it? See her right there? I like the way she does that right there, right there. You guys like the way she puts those rails in right there, right there?
No.
What? It's okay, we're all adults here. There we go.
I need a bigger screen.
What do we got here? The wife's just taking over things. I need to turn that off. The heat's still on that thing.
Upside down.
Chris at KB3D is awesome. He's a great guy.
Is I'm blind. Where's your
Yeah, Radkey makes. Yeah, if West 3D doesn't have anything in stock, they'll definitely send you over to Fabrico or KB3D or something. It was also funny at Remurf. Chris had the West 3D hat on, and Daniel had KB3D's hat on the whole time. It was pretty funny.
It's so hard to see the box.
I'd say these are M5 by 10s down there. And then the other one's M3 by 10s maybe. So we got some M5 by 10s here for the tops. Here, I'm gonna line them up first. Yeah, just slide those in place.
Without it falling on me.
You getting them in there? Need help?
No, I think that's right.
Oh, wrong. They're on the other way, babe. Other way. That's why. Flip them.
No, but I have to do the other side too.
Yeah, just flip them around. So
Hell.
that's they lock in like the other way around. Locked in the other way. I know. I know. I know.
I knew that was too easy.
Yeah, definitely too easy to be true, wasn't it?
Yep. They went in nice.
Yeah, you can, if you slide them in like that, if you slide them in, they are pretty easy to go in. Why does that seem different on that one? Because I never used it. This, I'm gonna have to switch this out anyways. Damn it. Dang it. Dang it. Ugh. This is not correct. So, some more stuff that I'll have to fix in the meantime. What does that seem wrong for?
Really?
Yeah, I don't know, but something doesn't seem right about the routing of that wire. We're running it CAN. Brad, are we running your CAN wires out the top by the exhaust? I can't remember how we was going to do that. Do you care how we do it, Brad? Running it out the top, I like it a little bit better. I think it helps the wire routing a little bit better. So we'll do it that way. Bruce said that you need a micron 180. Sir, not a V0. What's up, Mikey's Lab? Mrs. said to forget a V0. She wants a cocoa press.
If I could build, or he could build the cocoa press, I think it would be cool. But sometimes the printers that are already like come put together, it's not as fun.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
It's not like you can be like, yeah, I did that. It's like, oh, I bought that. It was already ready.
Is this done?
Yeah.
So yeah, so that would go in there just like that. It should, yes. But I'm gonna leave that for now because I may change this because I got to figure out how we're gonna do the wiring on this right here. So I will at least set these in here so they're there for when I need them and that this thing doesn't fall out. Don't want it to fall out on us. Lightly tighten it up. And see what we got. There. Micron would be fun to have. Micron looks very interesting. Yes, it is. That's over there. Yeah, I'll cut those up. Let me see what else I can get into here in the next little bit of time we got here. I know there's other stuff I can build. I can go ahead and put the, I can go ahead and put the rail for the Y. And yeah, I could go ahead and put those on, I suppose. Don't see why not. Bottom, it's got a bunch of MG, but no, I still need to lubricate them. I like to take the rails and clean them with some alcohol, clean them up real good, and then use my, whatever you call it, it's a blower over there. Huh? No.
What's that smell?
You smell something soldering?
Burnt. Yeah.
Yikes. And then I'll clean them up real good, blow them out really well, then use the syringe and get the grease all in the bearings really well, blow it through there, run the carriage around so it gets, all the grease gets in there really good. So I'll have that prepared for next stream. Yeah, and then the inverted electronics.
You had another crash on one? Jeremy?
Huh?
You had another crash over here?
Yeah, I got to figure that out later. I'm not sure what. Yeah, so don't move them around too much because you see how it's. Yeah, I got to investigate it. So don't move. It looks like it over here. It like dropped or something.
Always.
And that's probably because that one doesn't. It's still got the old wires on it, and it's probably got a wire brake, just like always. Always with the wire brakes on the can. I guess we can put some feet on maybe. Did I print those parts yet? Probably not. See, there's still lots of parts I need to print. I just knew I was gonna figure that out once. Yeah, I did.
Skirts?
Let's put the feetsies on. Why not? So get the, you know what you need down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, she went right to it. Right to it.
We need
So-
to get down to wherever the feet are, right about here.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if there's anything in the way where I shouldn't be able to put them on. I don't think there is. Let's flip it upside down. Okay. Working on a bed mount. This cantilever bed could be potential snagging issues. Uses carbon fiber so that stick to the metal. I'm sure this will help seal better. Since we preheat and soak should be good. Contour. We'll run on one side of the bottom outer perimeter frame. Copy that, Steve. That's what I wasn't sure is the thermal properties of the CF plate for the bed mount instead of aluminum. I haven't used the Lineo Nano Nest front door panel kit. Cocoa press, yes, I'm down with a cocoa press. Down with the cocoa press. So we need M3 and 5 and M3 for those. M3 and 5, M3 and 5, all the way around. Why is it done like that anyways? Is there some sort of reason for that? I don't know. But for whatever reason, that's how they go. Alright, so we need M3 and M5s.
Did you drink my pop?
No. Need the M3 and M5 peanuts. I might have took a drink or two.
You took it.
Just a couple. Just one or two, babe. Just one or two. 4 of each. I'm gonna take that. So this is gonna go. Wait a minute. Let's put the feet on. It doesn't say to put the feet on there first. Let's put these on first. So it goes M3. I guess it matters. It goes M3 and M5. Just to know what I'm doing here, I'll just go through M5, M3, M5. What is that? Oh, that's that sticky stuff. 3, M5, and 3. All right. There she goes. There she goes. All right, let's pop these suckers in. I use the smaller ones. Snappity snap. Satisfying snap sounds. There we are. Okay. Now, we need M5 hex nut too. Should be some M5 hexes over here. Here, 4 of these. And what size to hold this on?
Right here. These?
Is that what size? I think it needs to be longer than that. That's for those, yeah. Okay, we'll do that's afterwards. So yeah, let's do that first then. Yeah, you're right. Go ahead. You want to put them on through here? Line them up.
Yeah. This one is 5 and this.
Here, you do that one. You want to put that one on, and I'll go through and line them up.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out, looking at it this way, which one goes on which side. 3. So yeah, so a full body circle. This is gonna be on the opposite side, right?
You'll see that there's a big hole and a small hole. You'll see it. It's pretty simple when you get. Oh man, did I really do that? Wait a second. Wait a second. These are different. I gotta make sure I put them on the right spots. These aren't all the same. Hang on, sorry. Actually, I can just sneak and look at this one. Do a sneak attack. The M3s. Let me see. So there's two of one size and then 2 of the. See where this groove's at? So see the groove. See, different grooves that way. All right, so we got these 2 are the same, and then these 2 are the same.
Maybe you should show them.
I will. So that's the. Wait a minute.
See ya, just push Brent.
He out.
He's out.
Out for the count.
Jeremy will be getting a hold of you shortly.
I will get a hold of you for your filament. Thank you for joining. Why is that not seem? Will you bring those other 2?
You just had them.
Why does it seem wrong? Oh, okay. I was looking at it wrong. Here. These are the front. Yeah. Okay. These are the front. Which is this right here. So these were actually okay. Oh, she's moving the table on me, guys. Don't take it all the way. There you go. You know what does that?
No.
If you hit it,
What did you do with my stuff?
now this thing's never going to come out. You guys know how these things are whenever you get them in here. They never want to come out. Sometimes they pop right out. See, like that, not there, just popped right out.
I don't know if you have these lined up right. Thought you did, but lovely. I can't see diddly squat.
Whoa.
I'm too short for life.
Bring it down some, babe. Bring the table down. Low as you need.
Too short for life.
Yeah, bring the table down as low as you need. You want me to do it for you?
Right at all. Oh, there we go.
This dang thing. You can stay.
Hmm?
Keeping them.
See?
You get it lined up?
Yeah.
Where's the other one you had? Is that the... No.
It's almost like... Oh, it's not long enough.
Let me see it, man.
That's right, but it's almost like it's not long enough.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
But that's what it says.
It says M3 by 8s.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, it sure does. Is that an M3 8? Yeah.
Come out of that pack, but it's
Yeah.
not very long.
It's not. It's definitely not going down in there far enough. It's like it's barely. Yeah, if you push on it a little bit, it does go down a hair more.
That's why I
But
was trying to shove it in there.
what
But
is
it really shouldn't be that tight.
hang on,
Brad said, "See ya." I don't know
Brad?
if he's talking to you
He's
or
talking to him. Talking to him.
Digital Dragon, how's the build going?
What's
so
up,
far?
Digital Dragon?
It's going slow.
It's good to see you at Murph too. Murph. It was good to see you, man. I thought I switched these out already, but I didn't.
You eat your candy on stream.
Oh yeah, sometimes. Like right now, give me a piece. Why was you wanted to eat a piece, but you didn't want to do it in front of me because you know that I wanted it?
No, not necessarily. I don't normally eat these.
Ooh, I shouldn't have put that where I
I think
did.
these are banned in Canada. You're not allowed to eat them.
Are they? Oh boy, I can't go to Canada then. These things are awesome. These nerds gummies. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Brad, isn't it true like certain things in Canada you can't have? Or do they have it, they just take out all the chemicals so that way it's healthier?
Yeah, I'm curious this too.
I always see it all over like media and stuff that like Mountain Dew's banned in Canada and different things like that.
Yeah. It's just not quite long enough to get through there.
Yeah, he said here it's real ingredients, and he says your ketchup in the States is like candy.
Ah,
Yeah, it's like pure sugar, corn syrup, actually.
that's funny.
Yeah, they're trying to kill us all. Just feed
Trying
us
to
a
take us
bunch of
out.
chemicals, and then make it where we can't afford health care. Don't get me started on that.
Yep. Yeah, barely. It just barely gets in there.
Yeah, it's very short.
There's a hole right here. You can't see. I'll show you guys on the other side. There's a hole right here to access this. Right through that top. There's actually one right here too, I think.
I think you have the wrong one, sir.
Oh, I put it on wrong, didn't I? Dang it! Dang it!
Yeah, I just caught that.
Dang it! Dang it! Dang it!
You grabbed it from over here instead of
Yeah.
over there. I had them moved over here for a reason.
Look, they can't even see it on stream either. It's this one. Now I gotta switch out the.
Steven said the food in the U.S. is to hype you up to work more. Now they're trying to make it illegal to have a garden. So I definitely
Have a garden?
agree with everything that they put in there. They want to keep you alert and work you to death.
You said we're not allowed to have a
But
garden?
I didn't hear anything about the garden. That would be really messed up. Do you know how many people would be mad about that?
Well, I'd be one of
Because
them.
they're trying to prevent you from homesteading.
Where's the screws at? M3 and M5? Here, right here.
Gotta love the USA. I better stop. You get kicked off.
Yeah, you might get me
in
kicked
the
off,
United
babe.
States.
She's gonna get me
I'm
kicked off
moving
my
to Canada.
stream. Brad, you gonna let us come live with you? I'm coming to live with you, buddy.
I have seen like different ingredients, especially cereal. Cereal's like outrageous. It wasn't just Fruit Loops. There was it Trix, or there's another one that's like crazy, basically like pesticides in it.
I've seen some craziness.
The crazy thing is we just keep eating it. Like we're all, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lucky Charms. It's hard to get away from here, though. It's in everything. There's chemicals in everything.
All right. So if you can take this hex nut here and hold it up into here,
Yeah.
and then you can put this on, but find out what size that takes. I'll let you do that to all these.
Where is the mouse? 516. Is it supposed
Hang
to
on.
blink?
It's this. Hang on. I'm gonna have to start plugging this thing in. Yours is blinking.
Mm-hmm.
Hang on. Hold.
Oh, he said you're back.
Not just for a second.
Oh.
I'm gonna see if I can plug this thing
Can I
in.
bring this table down some more? I can't see.
Okay. Now I don't know how long that's gonna last. Yeah, you can bring the table down.
I don't know which way it goes down.
Steven,
Wait a second.
you're fired, buddy. He said, really don't care about Lee, but Mama speaks, we better listen. You ain't trying to listen to me, huh? Okay, I see how it is.
Hey, I need to know what goes up.
I got fired off my own stream.
M5 nuts.
Wow. That's whack, Jack. Babe, you fired me off my own stream.
Fired.
What size you looking for, babe?
I need a nut.
Will you get me an M5 T-nut too, whatever?
A T-nut?
M5 T-nut!
These are not T-nuts.
No, yeah, not.
These are hex.
Here's the M3 right here. One of those, yeah, you
I
need to.
these.
And then, do you know what size you need of the bolts?
Yeah, I already got it in there.
Okay.
This is gonna be interesting. I need to flip it the other way.
What?
Kind of hard to put a nut on here upside down. Yeah, you're gonna have to flip it over because
Upside here, I'll hold
It
it.
has to get. Hang on.
Yeah, I can hold it for you.
Hold on, I can press it up in here.
Here, man. What I was saying was, yeah, hold it like that.
I need
And
an
then
wrench. No.
you hold
it's
that.
not. It's not straight. Stop.
Yeah, you hold that right there. And then,
Got it.
I was just trying to help. Is it this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Getting her done, guys. Dang it, dropping stuff. Let's see your Allen real quick.
I need it back.
I know you do. I know you was coming back for it. All right. Baby's getting this down, ain't you? Dang it. All right, we're locked in there. Just need a small one and a big. Getting all them feets put on. At least we'll have some feetsies put on. Hand me my leg. Hand me my leg.
My feet.
Your footsie. It's hot in here right now.
Yeah, it's actually hot outside today, finally.
I'm gonna turn
It's
the air
like
on higher.
Pushing 80. When I walked outside, I was like, okay, finally.
Yeah, I know. Finally got some warm air. Finally
I
with
hate
some
cold
warm
weather.
air.
Hence, probably Canada might not be in my best
Do that
interest.
real fast, Alan, and I'll give it back to you. Almost done with the last one. Okay. You're good. Now you can take that one.
Brad, are you gonna get custom panels from Happy?
I don't know. MRF, you can give me a pink slip. I will give you a pink slip. The nut should go in before the bottom accent piece is on and then foot. The nut is captured. Before the bottom accent piece is on. Yeah, you do get a ton of extra Allen keys. I've gotten a handful. You got them all on?
Yeah.
Nice. We'll put these back where those go. Put these in the M3/8 spots. There's one too. Fine. All right, we got feet, guys. Legs, feet, whatever. See? All right. Sweet. Looks so funny with the feet, but no skirts. We do got skirts, but I'm not gonna go into all those.
So,
all these
Oh,
skirts.
this is the back, isn't it?
And then we got power inlets. Just trying to do the things that we can do here. You want to slap this power inlet on, babe?
This is the back.
That's the underneath. That's something different. You're not. You probably don't know what that is. That one is. That's going to go underneath. It's called the EMS, Electronics Management System. It's new. And we're putting it on.
Oh, I saw this on your live at
The switch
Rocky
wire.
Mountain,
Yeah, the
where
switch
you
wire.
had
Yep.
things that pop in here so
Yep.
you can get to it easier.
It's on my switch wire build.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
It's
You
on the
don't
switch
have that
wire
yet.
build. Nope.
You said it's
And
on your
it's
switch
new on this.
On which one?
So you want to get this right here. We'll put some heat inserts in this. Need the heat inserts in this guy for our inlet, power inlet, and our switch. The switch will just snap in right there. But this actually screws in to that. I put these in through the back. Turn that soldering iron on. Put the switch on solder. Standing on its own is a milestone. Yeah, it is, isn't it? She's standing on her own. Yep.
So having those down there, is that going to make it faster?
What?
That. Those parts.
This thing?
Yeah.
To make it faster? No.
Yeah, like all the wiring.
It makes the
stuff
wiring way
underneath.
nicer and cleaner.
Yeah.
Like you can, it's, yeah, like underneath here, look. Look down there. You can
Yeah.
see it a little bit, but it's got a channel that the wires go down. It's kind of
Yeah.
like, you see these channels right here? The wires go down those channels, kind of like those things that we're not using on this one, but you know, I said they go around the four pieces.
You need heat inserts.
2 heat
in these.
inserts, yeah. Use 2 of these. Or actually, there's 2 on that thing over there
That's
too.
just more under though.
You're on the back side. Yeah, there.
That always throws me
So
off.
I always just do one at a time. Put it on there, one at a time. When you get it almost all the way done, stop and flip it over and push it up against the.
I've done this before.
Yeah. Yep, I think the fuse is already in here. Let's check it though. It should already have a fuse. Yeah, it's got the fuse in there already.
You have some of this stuff.
Comes with a couple extras.
Hello.
Comes with 2 4 amps and 2 8 amps.
Gotta love heat inserts.
4s and 8s. 4s and 8s. Man, I appreciate all you guys joining the stream today, for real. It's been a fun build. Getting into it, starting it at least. Kila's out here with me, which is nice.
I hate this dangly thing. It's too much weight.
Oh, you turned the wrong one. You got the wrong one.
No, I don't.
This one.
Oh,
This right here is.
well, that's. Oh,
Yeah.
they do the same.
But yeah.
Don't they do the same thing?
Yeah, they do. That's just a TS100. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna prep some stuff for the next build. Cut all those. I'm gonna cut all those 5mm rods for the XY and everything else we need for the pin mod. Get all that ready, and anything else they'll need ready for this, so we can continue straight down the line and get her done. I think I'm going to change this right here up a little bit because this isn't normal. So you got it? Did you? Yeah, you got it. She got it. She got it. She got it. So this in, I'll set aside. Oh, we printed both of them. Looks like we printed the other inlet too. But the Formbot comes with the filtered one. So that's what we doing. And she has finished it. Looks like she did good. All right. So this is going to go right in here. 2 screws in there. see what screws. Let's go with the M3 by 8 button head, or yeah, button heads.
You have so many over here.
I guess it doesn't have to be, you know. We can use these. It just looks a little better if you use button heads back here. But you know, since it's Brad's, it doesn't matter anyways.
Here, you said what?
M3 by 8 button head cap screws. They just look a little better.
Where are they? Oh, right here. So you don't have
Oh
very
wow,
many.
that's all?
They gave you 3.
That's all we get?
Yeah.
I
wanna do that?
got some of my own. Yeah, black would be better anyways for this situation. Here we go. Black would be better anyways. It goes along with it a little bit better. There we are. And there she is. You know, nice and solid. Then our switch snaps in there.
That sounds scary.
Okay. That's where our mains power comes in. This is something I said in the video. Always be very careful when dealing with mains power, guys. I've seen a lot of stuff in the Voron help desk tickets. Things that could have been prevented. So that's going to go right in there. And that's it. We need 2 M3s. Let's go ahead and get those M3 T-nuts and 2 M3 by 8s. 2 M3 T-nuts.
This?
Yeah. Right there.
There's 2. Oh wait, maybe that was a different one.
This actually has a this actually has a nut, or one of these T-nuts. See, you probably can't see it, but it's in here. I'm just leaving it because it's going to be covered up, because sometimes they're just a pain to get out, and these are being those ones that are a pain to get out. So you want to be a pain in my butt, then you can just stay in there. That's my rule. You want to be a pain in my butt? Turn the page? Yeah. If any of you guys know what that movie is, let me know.
Do what?
Well, that was a movie. I'm not going to say what he actually said because...
Turn the page.
Yeah. Get my son to call you daddy. Turn the page.
Why am I only thinking of something that has to do with Will Ferrell or Adam Sandler?
It's Will Ferrell.
I thought Will Ferrell, but I can't. Is it Talladega Nights?
No. Eric, my brother said that to me the other day, which made me have it in my head, apparently. He's an idiot.
Hey, read.
Huh? Won't that mess with the harmonics? No, it's not going to mess with it. It's just one T-nut in there. It ain't going to hurt nothing. Oh, no.
Sorry. Shoo, I'll get it.
Trust me, I've got several in mind. There's one more down there. Several in mind that are hidden along the way. If anything, it just make it a little heavier and stronger. That's about it. Put that back over there. All right, we got our power inlet on. I think that's a good stopping point. What do you think, babe?
It's up to you.
Let's put this stuff up here.
You got a
these
while
on.
before we gotta go. About, I don't know what time we're leaving.
I just got a lot of prep work still to do on
30
this
minutes to an hour.
this here, so.
Yeah. Maybe I'll help you get some stuff more prepared for
Yeah.
your next one, so you don't have to.
Yeah, help me prep it up a little bit. Print any other parts I need. All that good stuff. Cut some stuff up. Hang on. Are we on here? Why am I not seeing? There we are. Nope, not the right one. It won't let me see the OBS screen. I think it's because it's on the other screen. Hang on. Hold your horses.
What are you doing?
Can you see it now?
Yeah.
I was just trying to finish it up here like this. They want that mess with the harmonics. All right, guys. Thank you all for joining.
Yep.
We will see you next Saturday to get going on the rest of this puppy. And we got to build the, I'll cut the rods for the XY joints and all that stuff, because this is getting pin mods all the way around. So then we can put this bar in. And I'll probably go ahead and clean the rails. I don't want to do that on the stream. Clean the rails and lube the rails so they're ready. I'll have all the boring stuff done with. I'll make sure I leave at least a few heat inserts to press in, because I know how much Brad loves me doing those on stream. So, all right. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next week.
All right, see y'all. I'm out.